Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, we got VO watch faces back in the building with a super awesome watch face that's worthy of a download, truly, in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of this watch face is called Sporty Blade. I like the look, I like the layout, and I definitely like the design of this watch face. It's just simply pop. Now, in the AOD mode for the Gear 3, it's gonna look super awesome. And for the Gears 2, you're gonna get a decent look out of that one as well. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a nice look. You get an analog look as well. Now you get tons of information and shortcuts within this watch face to make it super convenient when you have it on your wrist. Now, first of all, up at the top here, you're going to get your heart rate information, steps. You come down, you're going to get your distance, miles walked or ran, your calories burned, your battery status info, step status info so far as your goal completed is concerned. And you get shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. So if you need to go into your alarm, you can. And you also can set a favorite, single tap, it'll bring it up. You can set whatever application you want to set. You can make a phone call, and you can also go into your music if you're on your run or if you simply just love listening to your music. Now, with that, I like the analog hands. I like the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very nice. Has an elegant look to it. But if I tap here, I can't go into my step information so far as my status is concerned. Same thing with my battery info. So you get tons of shortcuts and information with this watch face as well. And of course, we showed you around the bezel of the watch. You can single tap. Now you can also customize the color theme of the watch face. If I tap on the 12, it changes the theme. I like it. We're going to cycle through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome watch face. I thought the developer definitely did a good job with this one. And if you double tap down at the bottom, you can change the color theme of the information for your step status. Nice. Not bad at all. What do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that, people, you guys have a nice day in or night. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.